This is how I make my crispy okoy.
Chef RBJ doing the test taste. Achieve. My ingredients are basic. Peel 1 medium-sized carrot. Cut into pieces to easily make a julienne. Cut all the remaining pieces. 1 carrot is enough for this recipe. Just be careful when using sharp knife so you won't cut your finger. Transfer into a big container as you will need to mix all your ingredients together. I have 1 medium-sized sweet potato or kamote as well. You can use calabasa, but I opted to use kamote. I wanted to have that sweet taste when my okoy is cooked. Same as what we did with the carrot, sliced it thinly so you can easily make a julienne. This is what I used to have when I was a kid and Anyo nabibili sa karinderya, manapis lang ang hiwa para mabilis din siya maluto at mas maging crispy. Again, be careful when you use a sharp knife so you won't cut your finger. Once done, mix it with your cut carrot. I also put some spring onion for taste and of course to have a good color mix or vibes. Mix it with the rest of your veggies. I am putting 2 medium-sized onion. I like my food flavorful. Cut your onion thinly and mix it with the rest of your vegetables. I bought half a kilo of small shrimp that is usually used for making an okoy. I already washed it thoroughly and removed any dirt or small shells. Add the rest of the vegetables and mix well together. You can use bare hands to mix, but I use a ladle dahil ayokong matinik ng shrimp. Add 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Add a teaspoon of salt. You can use rock salt or any salt that's available in your kitchen. Mix it all together gently so your shrimp won't get crushed too much. Now let us mix the batter that we will use to fry our mixture of shrimp and vegetables. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 cup of baking powder. Add 2 cups of cornstarch. We need to to make sure our batter has tastes, add 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. The same steps as we did with the shrimp and vegetables, add a teaspoon of salt. We can adjust the taste later if needs more salt. Add 1 medium-sized egg. Add 1 cup of water. Slowly mix it all together and make sure your batter is not runny. If you put too much water, adjust it by adding a little bit of flour until the texture is not runny. You can do this multiple ways. You can mix the vegetable, shrimp and batter all together, or you can put it in a plate and slowly add in your batter so you can control how much batter. For me, I add the batter separately so I can control how much batter I can add. This will give me more crispy texture when I fry my okoy. Heat your pan, make sure you have enough oil in it as the batter will absorb the oil. Make sure your oil is hot enough before putting your mixture in the oil. I did this multiple ways as I want to achieve a crispy okoy that I always love. Ensure your fire is in medium heat. Do not put in low fire as your mixture will only absorb the oil. Do not leave unattended. Each side only takes about 2 minutes to 3 minutes to cook. You can flip in each side to make sure both sides are fully cooked and crispy. I don't have table napkin, but you can use a table napkin and put in your plate so it will absorb the excess oil from your fried okoy. This time, instead of pouring the mixture from the plate, I slowly put it in the pan using a tongue as I don't want my okoy to be like a fluffy pancake. I want it crispy from the side to middle. Repeat each process however you decide how you want your okoy to be. Look at how mouth-watering, crispy and yum it is. Paired it with vinegar. I like my vinegar dip with lots of crushed garlic with skin on. Come on, let us cook and eat with us. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.